How to pack in 3 easy steps. This is the first thing I do, vitamins and my little daily pouches. I just put my day in here and I'm gonna add my pill pouches that I'm gonna show you in a second. Morning supplements, these are my night supplements. I break them down into baggies like this. And then they're gonna go in the pouch coordinating with the morning. It's well worth it when you're on the road, you don't have to think about it. Step number 2 is going to be your toiletries, hairbrushes, things like that. Tossed it together just now. It's ready to roll. My electronics are over here. Time for step 3. I pick a colorway for each vacation. The colorway for this vacation will be blues and white. I don't allow myself to take anything else. That way I take fewer pieces and everything mixes and matches. A total of 6 dresses for 9 days. I have 3 here that are more casual. These will be my day dresses. Then I'm working all the way up to these 3 that are going to be more nighttime. And I do have 1 hat that I'm taking that's going to work with all of these. So flats for dinner at night. I have some flip-flops, also good for wearing around the hotel rooms. Then 2 pairs of tennis shoes. This is my 1-step packing hack. I have 1 swimsuit, underwear, socks, pajamas. When I get to the hotel, I take it out, hang it up, and I'm unpacked. Follow for more easy packing and travel hacks.